If you're experiencing issues with account synchronization in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you enable account sync effectively. Step 1. Check game updates. Ensure that you have the latest version of Baldur's Gate 3 installed. Open your game launcher, check for updates, and install any available patches. Step 2. Verify account linking. Log into your game account and verify that your account is properly linked to your preferred platform, Steam, GOG, etc. Go to the account settings and check the linked account section. Step 3. Adjust cloud save settings. Make sure that cloud save options are enabled in your game settings. This allows your progress to sync across devices. Navigate to the settings menu and look for cloud save options. Step 4. Restart the game. After making changes, restart Baldur's Gate 3. This can help refresh the connection and apply any new settings you have adjusted. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to the game's support team. Provide them with details about your account and the sync issue for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve account sync issues in Baldur's Gate 3. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the game's community or support.